How's everyone doing today? All right. New day, guys. NFPs today. It's gonna be an interesting day, guys. It's gonna be a very interesting day. I have to make sure that today proper. So, update on eurjpy. Ended up hitting TP or TP1, and then price just came back to break even. Not complaining there. Gold right now just made the major move, and it's kind of a bit. It was an interesting situation because I had a major zone I was looking for on gold, right? And price came to it, the initial level. I think that's been happening to us a lot this week. We were sort of missing our initial zones on gold are solid. And you really need to focusing on that because gold does a lot of manipulation, right? And some of those look like they're gonna go without us, but I feel that it's just better that we just wait for our initial zones. Because it's like twice this week that's played out in our favor. And we just got in, it came back to us because we got in too early. So let me say that we have to focus a bit more on that. Let me see what's gonna happen today though. It's NFP. I am looking forward to it really. It's a Friday too. Firstly, I feel that we've done good this week. No need to do like extra trades, but I mean, let's not cut off the market too early, If we see confirmation, we're gonna take the confirmation, then execute upon it, right? What is it? What is it doing? That's HF2. We also have an initial position there, but that one is sort of not as probable because it just took out the first liquidity that we usually look for. So I'm a bit skeptical also on that one. Let me focus just on other days for the day. Let me just get the TikTok action also. Okay, let's get this day started then. How's everyone on the YouTube doing? All right, so we have how are you doing? Man? And how are you doing, man? Good afternoon. NDL, nice to see you once again, man. Love seeing you here on the live stream as always. Love seeing you guys here. I see we have a few new faces on the YouTube. I love seeing you guys here too. Okay. right? So USD CAD, right? That's making an okay move, but I wouldn't be too happy about that. And I just needed to. This is USD CAD, by the way, guys. Watching this for today. Really just old, man. Okay, let's see if this can get done. What are we looking at for today, guys? Oof. I'm thinking of freaking who's this guy? He had a beautiful move on gold today. Yeah, guys, look, this was. I guess we tried to move the false move here, but then we had like that one last change of cat. No, but to be fair, right? Overall, though, it was an okay. Really. Still early days though, because we have new kills on 2. That's the NFE, right? And then new kills on 2. No, new kills on 1. And then that would be NFE time. The new kills on 2, which is 2 hours after that. So we still do definitely have a high probability of price. They're still showing us another ancient model, right? After news, we always know there's gonna be that news high, news low that we're gonna end up targeting regardless of what price does. So I'm not. Just that gold shows a good move just before the live. I had to talk that one. Just showing out something here, guys. I want to get this done before we fully start on. This is go. Always learning something new with this pay, guys. 30 minutes to go, bro. 30 minutes to go. Let's see how it plays out, really. For me, gold is ranging. What time frame? Although, oh, 5 minutes. I think gold just did the move that that's why I sent this out before we went live, right? Because I saw potential for it. That's like it came to our initial zone. Gold keeps on coming to our initial zones, and then start moving to going up. But a nice OB for buyers inside the 4-hour breaker. The price did not tap into it. Oh, I see. Oh, look, where are we right now, gold? I think you're gonna take out this high, right? That was the perspective for this week. This week we just sort of rally on gold, really rally. Massive rally on gold this week. Yo, trader, how are you doing, man? I saw you caught a nice move on gold today. Guys, ready? About to start now. Who's coming to that all-time high though? I really don't know if we're gonna have a listen today. We'll see. If you're right, we usually trade the New York Hills on 2. That's like an hour after NFP. But things like there's so many other news events that are coming at the same time. So it'll be very interesting to see how the market moves there. I'm trying to look through this week's results. There's a few break evens here, a few wins, few losses, more stuff. No. Okay. Now the most important part. NFP. Gold is just taking out this high, okay? Do we see this as a turtle swoop? wouldn't take this fully as a turtle soup yet. Gold. The frick is this? NFP, right? NFP. But that in T minus 5 minutes, okay? I have gold in 5. NFP on gold is in 5 minutes. Busy. Let's see how we move with this. If we can get this, I want to take. Wait, let's see. Have we taken out this full high though? Taking out this full high though. Okay. As I say, guys, we've done the sweep. We've done the sweep. Maybe there's like some buy side liquidity we can actually target if there's potential sell here. This is looking very interesting to me, okay? There's a little buy side over here on gold. I do see maybe we might have a move from here. Just taking the fact that we also took out this most recent high point. I haven't taken out the major high, okay? That's also a very important thing to understand. I haven't taken out the major high. So I think even if you may have like a short, like quick move sell down, sweep out this trend line, okay? As you always look for, guys, as you always look for, sweep out this area, and then we see like a massive push up, okay? That's what I see for NFP today. Then again, it's not just NFP, it's freaking unemployment rates and different stuff all happening at the exact same time. But let's see, guys, let's see. Let's see how we move. But if we do end up doing that, right, this would be like my potential entry one. I want to get like a zone that's just below that area, right? Just below that area. Be good. We'll look for a rejection over here, okay? Look for rejection around here. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Let's see how this plays out, guys. As I said, we want to see NFP do like a little move down, right? Okay. Trader, yeah, I saw the shit on gold. Yeah, I think it just got me out by like a pip. It came to that initial zone I was looking at, and then I actually started moving up. I saw it was a very good move on gold today. What we're looking for overall buyer, guys. Okay. I did say that I want to see this get swept out, okay, today. Let's see, guys. Obviously, following our trading plan, guys. I have made a video on the trade journal, okay, guys. The trade journal that I've used for this entire week, guys. I've already posted it out. Okay, NFP in 2 minutes. NFP in 2 minutes. Let's see how it reacts. Let's see NFP in 2 minutes, guys. Let's see what we'll do. We want that move, right? All right, okay. We're having weakness being shown here, okay, guys. We're having weakness being shown at this candle. This kind of closes in a minute, and that minute will resolute to NFP, okay? Let's think about it. We're bullish right now, but we will end up seeing NFP make a short move down, okay? We'll see that short move down, okay, guys? I'm mainly focusing on this level, okay, that aligns this whole block here. Sweep of this entire trend line low, and okay, tap into this rejection level, 2361.047. Okay, guys, that's the main area that I'm looking at for today. We'll see if that can progress any further. NFP is literally in the next minute. Alert's already going off. Okay, let's see. Watching gold right now. Guys, I have made a video on, there we go, rejection level. Completely broke through. That's the NFP there. Okay, now wait for the exact opposite, okay? So we're seeing gold show these true colors now. It's taking out this entire area, okay? Let's see what it does now. Sharp rejection, sharp rejection, sharp rejection, sharp rejection. Sharp rejection. That was quick, you know? That's the news release now. Now again, that rejection. Price rejection from this point. Like, you just don't win if you're trading the exact news release of, because that's like we really click with this getting your trade out. Okay, so now rejecting over this area. As I say, guys, we swept out everything that was being bullish, okay? And this one candle. Price is preparing for this. One candle just spiking below. Let's see how gold moves now, okay? It's rejecting heavily from this point. I think we're flipping bullish here. Flipping bullish here from here. This kind of closes in the next 30 minutes. Let's see what's happening on the lower time from here. Okay, well, this was the news kind of right. News kind of high got taken out. I'm gonna end up continuing the trend now here on gold. And end up continuing the trend here on gold. I wanna now put a quick buy entry. We do get one though. If we taken out overall, I think I'm gonna go all the way to this. I think we should have good resolution for a trade soon. Now if we did the exact opposite of taking out everyone out, okay, so I'm gonna follow through with that. Something like this, yeah. Okay, this is the most probable thing that we're gonna do, yeah. NFP reject to this point, and now it's pushing up to this high point, yeah. Well, you guys can see, right? We didn't close below this area. This is why I just named it as a weak rejection area. Let's see. I'm looking also at NASDAQ. NASDAQ also did like a quick 1-2 move, okay? A quick 1-2 move. Let's see if gold can come down to around this level. Maybe I might look for a band. Keep in mind, this is the news low, okay? Once you break this high, then I think gold will continue to sell at least down to here, okay? Yeah. They will just reject over that level, guys. You should be part of the community, guys. Okay, we did also send out previous stuff on gold that we're looking at. Okay, so definitely make sure to be part of the community, guys. And also, I post a video especially on like the trading journal. Okay, guys, I made a whole video on the trading journal, so make sure you guys also watch that. As you can see right here, gold is making this little flop here. Okay, we're just waiting for our entry buy signal. Okay, that's what we're waiting for gold to like flip into a buy signal area for us. It's already just rejected this area that we're waiting for, and if we get that buy signal, then I think we'll be good. at least towards like this high right over here, okay? The all-time high on gold. But I think gold's perspective for this week was just to sort of break above the all-time high. Gold has higher levels to reach, to be honest. Okay, guys, let's see. We're just waiting for buy signal now on gold. Okay, you can see right here, NFP just rejected this point. Okay, I just have to wait for our entry. Yeah, I'll tell you guys when. Right now, all we're waiting for is because this was the news release. You know, news just goes erratic up and down. I'm just waiting for price to sort of calm down. But guys, all of this that I'm showing you guys, okay, it's already all been discussed before, okay, in the community. That's something you guys should definitely be a part of that, okay? The link will be in the bio. And also the video I told about the trade journal, guys. That's another very important arsenal to have. As you can see right here, it just did the normal sweep of all these lows, and our price is just going up and down. All we need is a buy entry, then I think it'll be good. They're looking forward to gold today. They're looking forward to it. We're going to come check out this high point here. How's everyone doing so far? What is everyone's prediction on NFP? I heard a few sells. I heard a few people saying sells. Yeah, gold did sell down, but it was very quick. It was just quick sell up and then quick buy up. Okay. Okay, I also have another prediction here. I have a buy on gold. Interesting. We're still waiting for our entry signal here, guys. An entry signal. Simple as that, guys. That's what we need, yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Shown on YouTube, yeah. It was always a buy on gold. But as soon as it reaches that high point, yeah, there's a high probability that gold could just start falling down, right? But we'll see. We did see that did give us a good rejection off our level here. But we'll see if we get also our entry signal. Right now, gold's still sort of indecisive, just playing around that high and low point. We're not gonna rush in. Hot Boy K's prediction saying that gold has been bearish for about a month now. It still is. Interesting. Looking for a sell there. Okay, so we have two buys, two sells. Okay, so it's kind of even on the TikTok with the predictions. As always, guys, we're just gonna follow what we've been doing for this entire week. Eurjpy hit TP yesterday, guys. It's interesting to see how gold will react, though. He's still pushing up and down. USD CAD is the only one that actually made it. react goes to news. Yes, that's what we're looking for. The Hotboy K says we might get a spike on NFP, but I still say gold is gonna sell. Ooh, interesting. What we're still waiting for is, guys, as you say, look here. Gold, I have to understand. Is this high that has not been taken on gold, but then also we just reject off of this high point here. So I'm not discrediting anyone's prediction also, because there's both opinions are valid on both sides, right? Gold could reach high and take out this all-time high point over here and follow its long-term bullish nature, or we could see gold just to make a sweep of this recent high point, right, that we have over here, which it has done, and then just sort of just flip bearish. So end of the day, the candle is what decides. Okay, that's what we're waiting for, the close of this 50-minute candle. Okay, because it will really decide what a gold does after this, guys. And by the way, guys, we're also live on YouTube right now, guys. Okay, as you guys can see, them go live every day, guys. So let's continue this. All right, guys. We are back. We're back. Let's see. Swirling up and down. We need to see that kind of closer. You see it shift. EURUSD has done a good move on its part. I'm always interested to see how people actually are so inclined to like trade NFP, because what it does, right, it like does a quick move out, quick go down. So unless you're very quick with your TP, it's not like you're gonna win in that exact scenario. That's why we usually wait after the post NFP to see how they kind of close and everything. Okay, James said, I'm so happy I didn't place any trades. To be fair, guys, right? If you've done good this week, there's no reason to still, you know, play around with your profits at the end of the week, especially the day especially the day of NFP too. I just kind of see how the market reacts on this specific day. It's always interesting to see this. Guys have to understand, it was like news on all pairs though. It wasn't just NFP, it was unemployment rate, freaking other stuff that price was using. Euro NZD is also gonna be very good this today, at least after news. Guys, everyone make sure that you're part of the community, okay guys? It's in the bio. YouTube, what are you saying, YouTube? Because this kind of they saying he's disappearing, but we're gonna have to close in the next minute. We'll see how that also reacts further on. Candle's flipping bullish, but it all just depends on how the candle closes. To be fair, right? We have wick lows and wick highs at this one point. I'll just take the most. I'd follow the bias that has no liquidity or has less liquidity, and the bias that is targeting more liquidity. Right, you have an all-time high. Definitely going to be a high probable area for gold to reach. Okay. Just taking out all of this sell side, so. Oh, gold. USD hasn't made a major move though. I'm also noticing that. Hasn't made a major move yet. I'm looking at all of this on the other screen. Okay, guys, as I said, I'll go also live on YouTube, guys. Bullish. Sean says it is bullish on gold. There we go. I don't know. I'm getting stuff confused, guys. I heard some people saying bullish here, some people saying bearish. Let's see right there, guys. We are live on YouTube, guys. We'll see how this plays out, guys. We'll be continuing the live on YouTube. Okay, the candle closed bullish, okay, guys. Candle closed bullish there. So what are we following through with now? Because candle closed bullish here, guys. I said I'm still inclined to seeing this high get taken. It hasn't showed me like the intro ones I'm usually waiting for. Usually, I can say it, bro. I went from 14k to 3k. Please help. Damn, man. The freak, was that all today on NFP? That's a lot. That's a lot. Really, guys, gold as I said took out all the buy side liquidity. So when I hear people saying buys on gold, right, and bullish, I'm not going against that because it's actually a good bias to have. And usually these wicks, they usually just continue higher. If a wick is sort of. Tabang says I was in profit for gold for just 2 seconds and I blew my rent money. That's what I'm, guys. Thing is, when you trade NFP, news release on the exact time. I don't think anyone wins at that point. That's what I say. Unless you very fast with your TP, you're gonna get swept either way. Because like this kind of went bearish in the first few minutes, right? Came to our rejection level, and then it just flipped bullish. That's why most times on the streams, right? You always see me. Even we trade during news days, we trade either before news or post news. Okay, not exactly on that time because the price is always gonna be erratic at that time. Freaking your brokers gonna go through slippage and everything. So yeah. Right now on gold, it still is showing me a correct bias to the upside. As I said, reaching the level, okay. Let's see. Yeah, guys, but we'll continue everything on YouTube, guys, okay. Live stream will be continuing on YouTube. Let me focus on the YouTube chaps here. Now that we have our devoted traders, yeah, how are we doing, guys? Also consolidating? Yeah, I see. Honestly, I feel that it may progress. I see these wick highs and lows, right? They also act as liquidity. But in this scenario, I think gold's gonna at least take out this wick high first before it comes to the low point, and then also take out this high over here. I'm definitely just watching, yeah, because we had this juicy bearish kind. I'm definitely sure that there was some sort of flip of traders, just like our brothers, just like our other traders said. Gold flip, very bullish on you, right? And you're selling it. We're the patient traders who are waiting. What's coming down? Let's see how it reacts. Rinse and repeat. Rinse and repeat everything we're doing for this week, guys. Gold is wallowing in pricing right now. Alright, guys, I think gold's gonna move up from it. Wait, so honest, I'm looking at this and I see gold pushing up. I said at least to this high. Okay, we're pushing down lower. Ooh, we're teasing that area. I talk about this so much time, guys. I really do. I tell you guys that once it usually happens, always gonna make a false move. That false move will price liquidating some sort of area and then will flip to the upside. I flip to the opposite direction. Remember when gold could reach this news low point? Really, you see God at least pushing up one more time. Also, like what we're creating here, right? That's low trend line. I'm seeing it's low trend line for me. Okay, that can push price higher to at least this high point here, even higher, and then we can start seeing price. Yesterday, but I was also making the type of that break of that inversion. I say, guys, we just wait for Neo kills on 2, yeah, and see price calm down. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, mm. Doom, 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 doom. Y'all see how gold reacted? News flip when bearish false move. Continued upside, broke the news high. Seems that still have high intent for gold. I see it did tap over our breaker, our news order block. However, I like this trend line that was sort of forming out there, so I stayed out of that. That's it, guys. We are in a good position for this week. We don't have to put risk on the table if it does not need to be put on the table, right? There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. As always, consistency and patience will always win regardless. All right, guys. So, as I said, if gold, look, we need some type of liquidation from gold again. No, to be fair, right, it did do like a major wick down, taking all this buy side liquidity. Only have sell side liquidity left to handle with now. But I want to see us do like one more liquidation, right? This would be the most solid one. I don't like that trend. Let's see if price connects it somehow. But I really don't like it. The fact that it kind of just turns me off for the trade, but if it sort of finds a good way of manipulating it, I will be interested. Okay. But for one, I won't get into hasty because I don't want to put my money on the line for no reason or put anyone else's money for no reason, right? That's it. We've done good this week. There's no need to keep on risking till the end of the week. I can cut off a week early right here. But I really just did this live so we actually see, understand how NFP moves again, how these major news events that just sort of just come in unison and how they react, right? Always, as I said, told you guys, false move and then the real move happens the opposite direction, okay? Usually false move suits our liquidity and that's what price did. But this week, I know price can at least get to this high. But later on, this week will end up being liquidity. If we end up hitting here, liquidity, we're going to target this low immediately. But gold's moving much better than other pairs. You know, other pairs just did like this little wick up down and then just started consolidating right after that. I don't like that. At least gold is actually moving with relative strength. Okay, we get a tap here. Still looking for that buyer overall though. But remember, as we keep on hitting more targets, we're losing, you know, that competitive advantage that we have over gold. So you're losing that liquidity, that's our liquidity that we have on our side. Okay, so this is our last point of resistance. After this is it, done for the week. Okay, whether we get in the trade or we don't, we're done for the week. We've done well. We pat ourselves on the back. We move forward. Okay. Only thing I said we did wrong with gold this week was probably just that we weren't fully patient for our initial zones. Because price generally, it was 2 times we had a situation where price did follow our buys, went straight out TP, but we just didn't wait for our initial entry. So obviously we're gonna use that for the next week and definitely improve on that. Okay, as you improve from last, we're gonna improve on this week too. Okay. As a trader, it's a never-ending journey of continuous learning and learning, implementing, improving. That's why I have the journal. That's why everyone says you need a journal as soon as you start, because that data is gonna help you in the long run to optimize. Okay. Definitely, guys, look out for the video for this week on YouTube. Okay. It's either gonna be a market maker model video, but most probably gonna be a video on gold strategies. Okay, guys, because we've been trading gold this week. I think we've definitely learned a lot from gold this week. Today's the video will be out, but it's by Saturday, so tomorrow. Mm, 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 mm. We didn't check DXY today. We didn't check DXY. That's not good. That is not good. I checked DXY, but I didn't check it with you guys. I need to make it a routine that you guys also check gold the DXY with me. Okay, that's like the major, the big index here. Dollar. But I did say that I want to see it. Okay, after we failed to turtle swoop this high, okay, just swoop this low. I mean, we did. I was expecting price at least take one of these high points, okay, but we didn't. It's okay, fully. I fully understand that. So taking that into account, I had to adapt and then realize, okay, if this low is going to be swept, then this most probably this low is also going to be swept again. So just following basic intuition there. Oh yeah, yo, it's like this little gap here that price. Just sort of rejecting from, but I'm giving it a close bit that price is just going to come. Just good for our gold trade that is bullish. NASDAQ, we see that it did do a reaction, right? But sort of followed yesterday's CBR model. The only reason was that we didn't really get like on this. Yeah, consolidation break, reversal, and the price came back to where 200 OB, okay, so like a CBR 2, right? We run part of the actual program. You guys would have understood about this model. But then where we're gonna target, okay? Because we're targeting to no man's land, or we're targeting according to risk to ratio. That's taking all these different conferences, right? I think a good target, a safe would at least be like people's risk from that. Let's not ponder on moves that already have. It's a beautiful day, guys. Today was a beautiful week, successful trading week. Honestly, I definitely feel good about our trading performance this week. I feel that we're definitely, we had our ups and downs. We were definitely at least patient. Okay, we didn't hop into any positions too. I feel the fact that I trade every single day was kind of weird. Okay, kind of weird that I trade every single day. But the thing is that it was entry models. Okay. So I'm not opposed to that. Because I'm not used to seeing like a week like this, we just every single day. Usually it'd be like a gap in a week where we just don't see any positions for that specific day, and then we just move on. I would not feel good with us just missing those potential moves that were really good this week. We also had a lot of other moves that we missed out in the moment you guys saw an NASDAQ move. But that shows the perfect entry point, then we just missed that completely. You see HF2 yesterday. Completely missed that move too. I think a good thing we have to work on for next week is like just being on hand, quick execution. And you know, it becomes easy for me to usually spot a lot of these entry models. Like when I'm scrolling through these pairs, I'll see the entry model like days being towards it, and I'll just like send a potential outlook on it. Guys have to actually my playlist today is good, guys. Playlist today is good. Then I'm in place of the playlist. This move happened literally right now. We sort of broke but then failed it, so we're gonna wait. Oh my days, this is actually gonna be good. This is gonna be good. Looking forward to this. One last move to end of the week. It like does a little break and reset of the trend line, right? Right, yeah. Happened to our area. Oh, and today we're waiting for this 1 minute zone. Okay, it looks weird, but we'll wait for it, right? Then push up, then we saw it. Whatever it's doing now, it doesn't follow this. Not a good. Really isn't, guys. Today, gold has to prove the setup to us, okay? we'll execute on. To be fair though, we also have a good sell model here, okay? Because what we've been doing is look at the sell side, right? See that right there. A good sell side model here. So that's what I'm saying, we're gonna need gold. Today. But I see some people got in some good gold trades this morning. This is solid. What time was this? Was in the 8:30? No. 6:30. 6:30. 6:30 Eastern Standard Time. This occurred. Beautiful sell. Oh my days. And what I did was even took out the first. And this is actually really good. I don't know how we got this because this would also be like a good entry point to look at. But then again, it didn't give us a chain gap, which is very important. But we did chain gap right after we touched that low. Saucy. And that's such a good sell. So proud of that. Because nobody's in the chat, but we start off the week and just saw me trading, but it really adapts to the intro model that we have very quickly. So definitely proud of it, man. It was just beautiful. Shoulders here. To be fair, right? I was looking at this second entry, but we got in a bit too early, as always, guys. Got in a bit too early. And it came to our initial zone as always. Happened twice now, and I'm as sure you have to be really quick with identifying these little pattern interrupts. And you have to just like reroute them as soon as possible and then just fix it. Boom, 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 boom. I think right now I'm trying my best to say laser beam the gold. Because to be fair, nothing else really showed me anything. The thing is, the pay will show you the setup after it's happened. So that's why I have to be very keen with when you're scrolling through your pairs here. What is Xauusd doing? Xauusd just don't like it. Pairs coming out to our zone. Put you on the watch list. What time is it? We having our 9:30 candle being printed on Xauusd. That's why you see that volatility. Okay, that is sensible. Actually, a beautiful 9:30 candle being printed. Look what it did, right? But we have to actually analyze this because this is very interesting. The news candle, I'm pretty sure, opened bearish, right? You have to see it in the moment because you know how this kind of opened. I'm assuming that like been bearish because gold went bearish and they went pushed up, right? Let's check out this high here. Now it's not to actually move forward. Oh, I sense that this market is gonna just leave that standing. But if you're taking out this lower, did right now, see a turtle soup, which I have, but we see a entry model lower time frame, that would be very good. As I said though, we have this initial zone, so we leaving our hands off the trade, right? And market do its thing. Needs to come to custody. Then again, also got these. This is also moving funny this week. Looking forward to it tonight, man. Today's a Friday. I can finally take some time to work on the issue video. See the work I put in for you guys. I live stream with you guys. I make my outlooks for you guys on Discord. Then I make YouTube videos on top of that for you guys. Then I post notes for you guys also after that. And you guys need to respect what I'm doing. Doing so much. But yeah, guys, 6 months left in the year, so you guys really have a lot to read time on. Dun 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 dun. Mm-mm, 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 mm-mm. Go to work. That's hard. Mm-mm, mm-mm. Bum, 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 bum. But it's good just to chill with you guys today. Enjoy the trading day. What's that adding it up so confused? Oh my days. The Rick rejecting here. You don't need calm down here. Calm down. Guys, I just realized I haven't been using fair. Really interesting. That's good. It's good to know. I not even think. Good. No gold gets on our nerves, right? Because has it done that? Has it done this? Purposely? Because also, I swear, guys. Now look here. You spend 3 more months here of just solidly locking in on this gold here. It'll be solid. Because we already have a good entry model for gold, NAS, USD. We have good concepts we're using. I think you just have to learn the nuances of these specific pairs. That's why we're doing this every single day, like just trading gold, because I know you guys love this freaking pair. Maybe, I don't know, you guys want to just fully invest in gold when the US stocks go down or whatever. Gold is another thing. I want to add an oil, okay guys. Oil's gonna be really good. Oil is gonna be so good for us to also add. Just get like the mindset on, okay? I'm not trading it like for the reason that you guys usually do. But more pips. No, but quicker pips for your small accounts. Get that, but then like it also blows accounts. But I feel that we just solid locking in on gold. We just understand rules. We can like properly invest into them. You guys get your 500 accounts, hold your small accounts, at least 25k minimum into the stock market, okay? And some move on to Tesla and all those good looking things. This also works with what we trade, right? There's gaps, as fills the gaps. There's liquidity, there's manipulations also on it. Right? Let's take a look at Tesla, right? The stocks too. They follow the same nuances. What happened today? I can just point it out. Well, we had this trend line out. Then right over here, our bread and butter setup, right? False break. I just got into this pair and I looked at it, right? What's the next step I have here? Drawn liquidity. You find that, right? You find that you just like, you don't have like a proper chain of guides here, but you just like enter with volatility, okay? Either we do into like, something that I don't like is like little trend line here. Well, you guys see it, right? You guys see it, like target 1, target 2. This. That's just a one-man example, right? But even here, same thing happened again. We didn't bother sit up here. Guys, like, I'm not saying this. The thing is, like, it just took me so long to really pull this out. And I'm showing this to you guys every single day. just also build your confidence. Not my entry model, but like this is something that you can fully understand and get practice with, okay? Because that's like the main thing. That's the only holy grail that you do actually have, not like some 80-90%, because I can watch that on YouTube, but then you're only gonna hear perspective of that YouTuber. You actually see it play out every single day to actually build up that confidence to use it, right? So yeah, then like yeah, has made gap, full gap. I think Tesla. But as we said, this week was I'm gonna add next week, right? Just still improving our crap. We have to do deliberate practice also. Focus on things that we're also not used to and compare that, see how that works, right? So that's a in all USD. Let's do like the WTI. Food oil. Futures too, but to be fair, we like neck deep into futures, right? We like if NASDAQ and S&P, right? So we're already in that community. All right, WTI. So that's just I just don't like these choppy looking candles, but Oanda's making us get used to it because when these have clean candles now, I don't know what they did. All the candles look messy. I'm trying to see something. Let's see if we can find like a broker with something cleaner. How do you look? To be fair, you look the same, but you look better. We had all the pairs that we're trying to really work on. TL5, NASDAQ, S&P. S&P different. S&P is good. It's good. If you work for an American company, you already invest in the S&P. Pretty sure like that's something where your bank account, no, your payout, not your freaking payout, but your paycheck goes, portion of goes just directly to the S&P 500. This thing's been going really good, so you're doing well. What else do you want to focus for next week? Your AD has been calling me though. That hasn't been showing its full potential this week, or rather, we haven't been focusing on its potential this week because right, we missed this entry, but then it came back for another model, right? And now it's fully done the full move. So, and then and news would have the frick out of us. EURJPY non-biased, okay, non-biased. This too. Non-biased. But EURJPY has been speaking to me for like 2 years now. I think that's what we're at. EU is a fan favorite, but it's not really like to us. It's not. Oh, well, look at it. Look at it. What is this? Bunny hops music. Gold analyzed doing the moves that we wanted to be in, but it's not giving us that entry. Gold will respect these trend lines, guys, and then it will disrespect it the next moment. So you have to pick your fruit wisely. Willingly, we're not looking to be part of the move when gold actually reverses the actual trend line. So we're choosing our master is in this situation. We're going to choose to let the trend line respect itself, because once we don't do that, okay, we're not invest straight like this. We buy off the trend line, then bang, price sweeps us out. So rather better that we're just not part of it. Freaking candle slayer, waiting for the 1 hour rebalance of gold 1 hour. Right? Thing is, guys, as soon as we reach this all-time high on gold, we're balls free, right, to doing whatever. Then again, this is also this high. People saying gold is bearish, but guys, bro, long-term gold is bullish. You guys have too much conviction when you say something. That's the thing. You guys have way too much confidence when you're shouting out your predictions for pre and after news events. It's like gold will sell, then after gold goes up, then you guys are like backing away. And I have to take both opinions, okay? I look at, I rebalance stuff out. I was like, okay, cool. But there's a chance to sell off, but it's not as probable as the chance of gold going higher. At least to that high point. From there on, I don't know. You see that humbleness I have? But you guys are just gonna go higher and higher and higher. Just keep on going that. That's the one thing I just don't understand. At the end of the day, we're just gonna continue going with what we have. Gold is gonna reach this high point, okay? Knowing its volatility. And the fact that it's also a volatile high point. We're gonna be looking at this, okay? Once it gets there, we don't know what's gonna happen after, really. Because then we can just reverse down lower and then continue lower, right? So what I'm trying to say here is that when we do these little stuff, yeah, exactly. No one should ever be like surefire shot on. No one should ever be surefire shot like on any position they're in, because that's where the ego comes in, and having that ego is not gonna help in the long run trading. It's just gonna, because once the trade just goes against your entire bias, then your ego's hurt, and now you feel like a double backfire because you lost the trade and the trade went against your bias. It's just completely normal. That's when you guys hear me trade, okay, guys? We've been doing really well this week, but even when I talk about these trades that ended up winning, I still do say there's still a probability that price could do the opposite of this, right? So this is little nuances that you guys also have to, I feel that it's good for you guys to use. Hear me, S chakra. Same thing on gold today. We rejected off this level, okay? And now start pushing up. Do we see entry model yet? No. Firstly, I'm waiting for gold to come down to this area point. Okay? The 2368, okay? The reason why I'm saying this is because we've had a situation where gold started moving without us, but then eventually came back into our initial area that we're talking about and then made the full-on move. So we're still using all of those previous lessons in our current trading. Then again, guys, it's the end of the week. You guys somehow would have made a bit of profit this week, because there were like four good trades this week. So I don't think there's a heavy need for us to get into gold today if it doesn't show us our full-on confirmation. Let's see. And no, shout out to MKH. He had a beautiful move on gold today, following our intro model to the tier price consolidation, break of that consolidation, then price reverses. Look where gold is now. Beautiful. And the good thing is also he was out of the trade before news, right? Because gold made this massive dump but then just continued higher. The 9-3 candle got swept out, but as you said, guys, it didn't reach our level, so we're still not getting into it. We're still not getting into it over here. Whether or not that move happens this week or next week, I'll still be looking forward to wait for price to reach this area. Could be stubbornness, but just also the fact that I'm just not willing to go the extra mile for a pair that just doesn't show me enough probability of going in my favor. A simple business proposition. Well, you guys are all looking forward to the weekend, guys. You guys definitely did very well this week. Manage yourselves well. Manage your emotions. I didn't hear too many complaints too. Some of our trades, they went into drawdown. People weren't complaining, you know. They let the trade play out, and eventually did play out. So very good on that part. Also waited a lot for our extra positions, even when the price was moving at us. They eventually came back to us, tapped us in, and they went to TP. That's also a very good part. A very good emotional rationality on our part, right? Us building up this character is gonna help us in the long run. As I'm talking a lot today because this NFP just kind of messed up the market and we don't really have any proper setups today. Right on in the morning, just before news though. Keeping close to that all-time high, that point that we're waiting. Guys, I just realized we only had buys this week. But it makes sense because this entire week we had a bullish bias, and the entire week the market was bullish. I'm just looking over our results for this week. What was gold? Gold was... Oh, that was today. The gold is break even today. What did gold do today? We had this in prior. Is ADCHF doing? I was breaking this low point. Right? Yeah. Breaking out the low point, and you just see signs of that. That means you just took out this. Also took out the sell side too. let's look at this. So gold today was a small loss. I didn't lose too much on gold this week because I did say it was the end of the week. I don't want to put too much of our profits at the end of the week for no reason, but I did have potential. Just that we just got in a bit too early. eurjpy, that one was a full TP there. Full TP, TP1 there. NZCAD, that was a loss. ADNZD, TP1. GBPUSD, that was a win. Gold, okay, that one was also good. Then the second one on gold was really good. That was a really good one. NAS100 2 really good. Then another time on gold really good. Doing quite well this week, guys. You have to update the current results though. But yeah, EURJPY should be 50%. Looking forward to next week. Rinse and repeat. No, rinse, repeat, and improve. We should have like a journal. We should have a journal that's just comprised of the stream of the trades taken on stream. I'll set that up this weekend because it's cool to have like the trades on the YouTube screen. However, I also want like after like a month or after the quarter, we can just get on like a entire community call event thing. I just go over like all the trades for this quarter of the stream, right? Coming from July, right? This July, the 2 months after this, go to each and every single stream. Also be cool if we had like a little timestamp of when we took the trade on stream. I think that'll be a very cool experience for us. As always, putting those good practices that every trader needs. I personally don't think that Egypt's gonna show us something today. I'm gonna cut it off too early though. I do see this, and I do see this, right? Okay, let's not cut off too early. But do we take out this low? It's like a little dip below the low. How's it kind of looking on the 50-minute? Looks like a wick below the area. One hour. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. Look at that news high. Very interesting. Okay. It's good to keep a close eye on that. Let's see if this tap is aligning to any sort of liquidity though. Is this? I don't really like that. Okay, yeah, let's scrap it. Grab it. Grab the idea. Unless it comes for a double tap, taking out this low then I'll be again once again interested. Here you go. So we're gonna leave that on ACCHF. I just said today, we pick it, guys. We pick it today. We have traded in the chat. I'm not too sure, guys. We had the move. Right, and now I kill zone open already. Inching towards that high. But it's very interesting to see a lot of this. It's very good. We're gonna log it into our case studies, obviously. This is for later on. From here, soon we reach this point, guys, we're gonna start seeing a lot of consolidation on gold. Okay, high probability of seeing that, especially if it happens just after close, understandably. and then we'll see later on, because then that's when you're inching towards, you know, this high now. Okay, that'll be next week's target. Okay. This week's gonna be a lot of retrospective. Gonna be a lot of introspection this weekend. We need an inch model. We don't want one, we need one. You guys aren't used to this, yeah? Today we're actually properly needing patience. I know you guys looking for that one last trade to put your trader. I know you guys are looking for that one last trade just to get a bit of profit so you can spend it all the weekend. No, guys, you guys, this week was a good week. Trader, how could you gatekeep that setup on gold? I know I don't trade the long session, but at least shout it out, man. I'm watching gold right now, but to be fair, gold's already done the major move for the day, right? And you were part of one. I saw you were part of the first London move, and you did not tell anyone about it. Follow that inch model to the T. My man says nothing. When did you send this out? You sent this out at 6:30, right? 6:30 EST. And to be fair, okay, no, this was also a good outlook on gold. I'll give you that. Okay, no, guys, he did send it out. He did send it out. Send out this too. Oh yeah, CFDs. We're looking at that this week too, Trade. Okay, we're gonna be looking at these pairs, right, throughout the week to build out the narrative on these pairs too. Doing quite well on gold right now. We're sort of feeling out gold, understanding how it moves, what turns it off, what makes it move, all the little things. It's gonna be good to also do this on crude oil. I've been looking into it. But yeah, Trader, you watching anything else today? Firstly, I don't think we're gonna get out anything today because Xauusd did his thing and then moved on, right? I think this move, it did the move, but I was a bit sloppy, to be honest with you. It was like a foul play to me. It's the team. Dun 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 dun. kind of watched USD flip bullish with you guys. But then what we're gonna talk, we didn't have any solid targets for UJ. That's why I wasn't interested in this position here. Okay, we're dipping down below. Right. Okay. Exactly. Traders done for the week, man. We had a good week. You guys are still looking for other positions. There's a time to just be grateful for what you guys have done. I'm not even saying like profit wise, I'm just saying like, you know, on a trader respective level, you guys managed your emotional, managed your impulse as well too. And now you're getting rewarded for that. And you guys are like, yeah, but I want more. That's what I'm saying. We don't get anything after. Golden show is like a perfect setup, okay? No need for us to take it really. They're a really good trade there, trader. Yeah, I think you adapted really quick to our entry model too. Really quick. They'll be looking forward to see you in next week's live streams. Yeah, guys, we'll make a video on the gold strategy, okay, guys, for today's YouTube video, for this week's YouTube video. Don't forget that out to you guys as soon as possible. Also, we're going to be doing a weekly forecast Sunday, guys. Well, it won't just like be me doing the entire thing, but also be other you guys also giving in your alerts or like your opinions on specific pairs, and then we do this compare and elaborate on it. Okay, so this did the false move, right? Okay, at least we see about that. This is what NZDCAD did to us yesterday. Yeah, to use that to fuel today's move. If we can get a change of character, I'd be happy about that. Really happy about that. I'll just target the highs, really. Yeah, it's split between gold and ADCHF right now. Gold is showing me very good things. No. ADCHF is actually showing me something better because I actually done a proper trendline liquidation. Then again, guys, don't have to force ourselves here. I think the traders of the week are going to be, let's see. We're gonna have 3 traders of the week here. So we're gonna have Caroline, NDL, and MKH, okay, from the Discord. But I'll say that they've shown good application of today's trading week. NDR, FEG entry also with a lot of false break over here. False move, change the character after that. Then that was a good move. I think Caroline also had something else. Or was Caroline just really too much psychology, really? Oh no, he brought in the... Yeah, there we go. They add this. And the MK is obviously with the trade of the week, yeah, on gold. Trade of the week, they're on gold. Now we're still learning at a fast pace, very fast pace. Also, Guadalquivir, Sean, but not just like, because he was also talking about the gold buys. He was also bullish on gold, saying beautiful rejection at the 2387599. Also another good call out there. And he stayed steadfast on his position on gold there. Push on gold. Like a little change of cards here. See if we can break above this high, yeah. Guys, I'm talking to you guys because I know a lot of you guys are just used to just staying at the chart, blank point, no words. If I think like trading is one of the lonelier business models, yeah, because like it's not like you have any employees that work under you or anything. It's like you're in the chart, really. It is, isn't it? Wake up certain time for your trading session, an hour before, set up pre-analysis, journal your trades from yesterday, then like you just get started with the day. Enter your trade, don't get a trade, lose a trade, win a trade, break even trade. Log that in. Move on with your day. Literally 1 hour, 2 hour on the charts. Breaking lower, I would do a thing. No, not in the chat room. How about I link him? In DR, right? India was just doing too much work right now. We're consolidating around at this area. Rest up, guys. Rest up. You guys did well this week. Rest up. You guys deserve it. You guys definitely deserve it. Made a telescope of a low. It just hasn't come to this area. Personally, guys, I think we're just gonna, well, let's wait for the 10:30 news, no, the 10:30 candle, and see if that gives anything. If that does nothing, I think we're just gonna end up for the end of the week over there. Closes, starts off the next 50 minutes. So after this 50-minute candle closes, okay, this bearish looking 50-minute candle. At that close, we're gonna have a 10:30 candle. Keep learning though. Okay. I'm really proud of our journey this week. It's a beautiful day. Definitely a beautiful day. Weighing my options with gold right now. Definitely weighing my options. Thinking of what we've been through this week. This wouldn't be bad. I think on the third tab, we're gonna have like low trend line created. High prediction there. See you next week, trader. Enjoy your weekend, brother. You've done well this week. Enjoy the trading performance. Enjoy the weekend. And come back next week. back once again, guys. I know you guys are happy to see me. With it, just nah, guys. That was not worth it today, guys. Just honestly leave this position. Not worth it. Looking at him thinking, because just not gonna. Let me play around my setups from this week. $10.30 candle in 10 minutes, guys. If this does not do the most bearish engulfing formation, we are dipping, leaving, then happens in 10 minutes. Here we go. Well, that's 10 minutes to show us something good, then we're leaving. Gold is digressing in nature, right? I'm literally counting down the minutes so I can enjoy my weekend. By enjoy my weekend, I mean working on the YouTube video for you guys this week. I feel like you just make all the thumbnails lower res. As I said, today's Last candle defense would be the 1030 candle. I'm gonna let you guys early off today. Don't worry, guys. Let you guys early off today. Let me going analysis into today's movements on go. At least one thing I want to leave you guys off with is at least a bare minimum understanding of what happened today. Dun, 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 dun. Good to see these little things about gold. Okay, let's see how this would be good for whenever we have major news events. Because I find us trading news a lot. Very interesting. Can I say? I'm shooting EU on the 51 FEG, brother. It's 4. Okay, let's see the 1030 candle. Okay, EU. What did EU do today on news, right? Honestly, he has good liquidity. I'm pretty sure he has good liquidity, buy side liquidity. That'd be good for you to target, right? Yeah, we have this on EU. Sort of this high. Sort of this most recent high. Where have you tapped into though? At least if you tap into like a higher time frame zone. And then yeah, bro, I have no jurisdiction over your trade. But just giving you a bit more confidence. My outlook on it. Very interesting. Tap this area, wicked it twice. Okay. Use that as liquidity. Let's tap this area. Okay. First, I feel that you would actually sweep this level out, but it's respecting it, and I understand that because look what he's been doing for this entire week. Just been leaving this bias liquidity untapped. I don't know when it's gonna actually fill it out, but I think that this would be a good opportunity for it to consider doing that. End of the week, Low Force breaks it up here, and you say 51 FEG. That wouldn't be too bad. Wouldn't be too bad. But what did the news open bullish or bearish? Because this also acts as two liquidity points. Okay, news high and news low also. Okay, but you usually only see that after it sweeps out all the liquidity action wants to sweep up. But yeah, man, you do your. Firstly, I feel that what's this 10:30 candle? Did it open right now? It did open. What did it do? Did it sweep out? What did it? On that note, we are going to be allowing price to do its thing. Personally, I think that we did very well this week, guys, in terms of focusing and really executing on our positions. Net results for this week were 3%. I'm trying to calculate it here quickly. Okay, so this week on gold, we had a 0.5% loss. Then we had a 2% win on gold. Okay, so we had 1%, right? Then we had 2% wins on NASDAQ and both gold. That's like 5%, right? That's 5%. Yeah, because of 1%, yeah, so it's 5%. Took a 0.5% loss on gold. Okay. I'm not saying, let me just say 1% now. Yeah, no, it is 1%. It is 1%. Also 0.5 is 1%. That put us back to 4%, right? Had another win on GBPUSD, so that's another back to 5%. Then we had a TP1 on 80 NZD. So that's another, I wouldn't say 4% though. Because I know, because I did give out a point to you guys, but I don't know how you guys posted out. I'll give it like another 0.5, right? It's like 5.5%. Loss on NZCAD. Back to like 4.5. Win. TP1 on eurjpy. That's like, overall, I think it's 5%, right? It'll be 5% for the week. Gold, -1 on this move here. 5.5. Yo, I can't lie. I'll post to you guys like all the results, because my results will be different to what you guys took on trades, okay? Because I had different portioning outs. But I think it should be around 5%, 4% for this week, around there. For this week at least. From last week's 2, should be above to 15%. We also had good weeks. Trades from last month. Are we flipping bullish here on gold? But then again, it's respecting trend lines, which we allow. However, I'm not really part of that. I choose not to be part of that. As always, guys. Once again, I'll see you guys next week. I have to get like a solid time for us. I think 9 AM EST would be a good solid time, good variation for our timing, or at least on Mondays. Rest of the week, I think we can start off just normal 8:30 EST, 8 AM EST, around there. Dun, 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 dun. But yeah, guys, we'll allow that to end for a week. Wonderful week, yeah, guys. First thing that we did. Successful trading this week, which led to profitable trading this week. Consistent trading. As always, guys, see you guys next week, and look forward to this week's YouTube video, especially on the gold strategy. And as always, guys, unfortunately, this is real trading.